Hello everyone, welcome to the Badanama School. My name is Mimi.
And I'm very.
You're very? You mean very excited?
Yep, I'm very excited.
Almost, Bada. One more time. Excited.
Oops, yes, I'm very excited.
Okay. So why are you so excited, Bada?
Because we're not inside today. We're outside. Woohoo!
That's right, Bada. Today we're outside. It's so wonderful.
I love being outside too. It's so wonder-waffle.
Bada, you're always so cute. Try again. Wonderful.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
You got it, Bada. Today we're in the wonderful Arborea Forest.
I love it outside.
Why do you love it outside so much?
Well, I can run. I can jump. I can climb. I can even sing with the birds. I love singing. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Birds? I have a bird friend too. Actually, she lives here.
A new friend? Really? What is her name?
Her name is Abby. Call her name. She will come.
I'm a baby night owl in my nest, happy at my home, taking a rest. My mommy says if I want to fly, just flap my wings and try.
Abby! Oh, Abby! Where are you?
Abby, come on out. We're waiting.
Ouch!
Wow! You can fly? I want to fly too!
Well, hello.
This is the wonderful Bada. Bada, this is Abby. She's a night owl.
She's a towel?
Not owl, just owl.
Oh, sorry. But wait, you said night owl. She looks like a day owl to me. It's daytime.
Bada, you remember. So, Abby, what are you doing today?
I'm flying. I'm flying up and flying down.
Wow, you can fly well.
Well, I practice every day. The first time I tried to fly, well, I felt sad.
What happened?
Well, it all began one day when I was waiting for Mommy to come for lunchtime. I have never left home before, but... One, two, three, jump! Whoa! Where am I? Walking. Oh, there's my home. Down I go. Where's my mommy? This can't be. Oh, there's my home. Under I go. Where's my mommy? This can't be. Oh, there's my home. Inside I go. Where's my mommy? This can't be. I want to go home. My mommy said flap my wings if I want to go somewhere. 1, 2, 3, up, up, up. Up I go. Mommy, I found you.
1, 2, 3, jump!
Oh, Bada, you're not an owl. You can't fly.
Haha, but I want to fly high in the sky like Abby.
You can't fly, but can you jump? Up and down, try it.
Okay, I will try. Up, down, up, down.
Bada, wait, we're out of time.
Oh, right. Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.
Fly high, sweetie pie.